Oh no. I think Diesel might crash into Thomas and Percy. But the two went on to a different line, which is very good. Yay! They won't have any collisions before. Uh-oh. Why is there Diesel coming? No! What an epic fail, to be honest. Percy is still good. What's up with those 3 trains? Oh my gosh. That is not going to be a good collision. Okay, maybe I spoke too soon. Hopefully the trains won't collide again, shall we? I'm not sure, but... Oh, Percy and Diesel collided. And here comes Thomas. Oh! What a disaster we're getting! It's gonna be on this side. I hope if Percy and Diesel can make it through. Yes, they can make it through! Wait. They're head on? I think they're head on! Oh, what a disaster! Disasters, terror, and map. Oh no, I think they're on a collision course again! But that was so close. So close. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. Okay. This is supposed to be the best view right there. Oh no! Oh! What another collision! Oh! Okay, maybe I spoke too soon. Why is Thomas running on his own without needing any help? Oh no! Why would they collide again? I don't understand. This is just too confusing. Oh no. Oh! down the hill. They're coming down the hill. They're coming down the hill. And here comes Diesel. Oh no! Ugh. Got a kazoo tights. Maybe I should have just nodded on my camera or something. I think I did. Oh!